Every time I need to know if my dancing and my show make you happy, I just look into your eyes. And then I wrap you in my arms, very strong, really tight. It's a thing that feels so right. And I say, your heart opened up to me, and when I found inside to see all the details that in life can set you free. Feel the grass beneath my feet, put more sugar in my tea, build a fire together. And I say, together, oh yeah. Looking back one day, I remember that I can feel for real, live without a shell. All these things to you, oh, oh. And I say,